Barks Alpha here, Riverside, reporting for Newshound with your 24-hour crypto news roundup. On today's bulletin, kidnappers extort $1 million in Bitcoin from French couple. Binance sues Wall Street Journal amid DOJ probe into IRGC transfers. U.S. lawmakers propose death bets ban. Ripple director highlights Turkey, Nigeria, and UAE as regions to watch. And Bullish overtakes Coinbase in global spot trading volume. Let's dig. A couple from Le Chesnay near Paris became the victims of a horrifying attack after being held hostage in their own home for a cryptocurrency ransom. On Monday morning, 3 masked men disguised as police officers stormed the residence, restraining a 59-year-old woman and threatening her partner with a knife. The assailants, who were reportedly receiving instructions via a live video call from a fourth individual, refused to leave until the man transferred 900,000 euros, over 1 million in Bitcoin. French authorities have launched an investigation into what they describe as organized kidnapping, armed robbery, and criminal conspiracy. This incident is part of a wave of crypto kidnappings in France that began in early 2025. Security experts recommend that high-net-worth investors prioritize discretion. Next up, Binance has initiated a defamation lawsuit against the Wall Street Journal following a series of investigative reports that prompted Department of Justice inquiry. The dispute centers around articles that allege that the cryptocurrency exchange halted an internal probe into approximately $1.7 billion in crypto transfers linked to the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps. According to the reporting, Binance allegedly dismissed compliance investigators after they uncovered large-scale transfers from Chinese entities to accounts associated with sanctioned Iranian organizations. The lawsuit characterizes the WSJ's reporting as false, defamatory, and reckless, claiming the newspaper prioritized competitive speed over journalistic accuracy. Binance specifically denies allegations that it obstructed internal investigations or failed to comply with law enforcement requests. The DOJ has reportedly begun interviewing individuals with knowledge of the matter. Speaking of bad money, U.S. lawmakers are proposing the Death Bets Act to prediction market bets tied to violence. Mike Levin and Adam Schiff launched the bill on Tuesday, targeting wagers on assassinations and wars. Prediction markets allow people to bet on everyday outcomes and events. Currently, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the federal regulator, has the discretion to block harmful contracts. This legislation would make the ban explicit. Lawmakers state that betting on death creates unethical incentives and jeopardizes national security by allowing insiders to profit from classified data. The bill follows suspiciously timed bets around recent events and military action. In other news, Reese Merrick, a director at Ripple, recently identified Turkey, Nigeria, and the United Arab Emirates as must-watch markets for the crypto industry. In information shared via a post on X, Merrick pointed out that these regions are rapidly becoming focal points for blockchain adoption due to their proactive regulatory environments and high demand for efficient cross-border payment solutions. The UAE in particular was noted for its clear legal framework, which has encouraged numerous fintech firms to establish operations within the region, while Nigeria and Turkey continue to show significant retail and institutional interest in digital assets as a hedge against local currency fluctuations. Merrick emphasized that the combination of young, tech-savvy populations and a genuine need for real-time settlement systems makes these 3 countries primary drivers for the next phase of financial technology. Last but not least, Bullish has officially surpassed Coinbase to become the world's 3rd largest cryptocurrency exchange by spot trading volume. According to data from CoinDesk, the platform recorded over 1.8 billion in daily spot volume on the 11th March, driven largely by institutional activity and high liquidity trading pairs. This milestone places Bullish behind only Binance and Bybit in terms of total market share for immediate delivery trades. The exchange's rapid ascent is attributed to its unique automated market maker (AMM) integration, which provides deeper liquidity for large-scale institutional orders compared to traditional order book models. While Coinbase remains a dominant player, Bullish's growth highlights a broader trend of institutional volume migrating toward platforms optimized for high-frequency and low-slippage trading. That's it for today, dogs. Remember to share with the pack. Keep your noses to the ground and your ears pricked so you never miss a beat. Reporting for Newshound. This is Barks Alpha. Yes, I do.